Good morning, guys. Guess what today is? Kind of sound like hump day, but today is moving day. Woohoo! So it is Thursday, August 15th, and I know I've missed like a couple of days since Sunday I started filming of me getting some last minute things together. I went to Target yesterday, so I do need to fill you guys in, but don't worry. I'm pretty sure I want to get all of my tips in here, and I know I'm probably missing a little bit of B-roll, but that's all right. We'll figure it out. But let me show you guys around, and so you can see how things have been going and up until today being move-in day. I'm excited. I'm up. I'm dressed. It is almost 7:30. I got up at like 4:45, but I didn't get out of my bed because you see my mattress over there. I didn't get out of bed until like 5:30. I was like just kind of reflecting and watching the sun come up, and then I'm like, okay, let's get up, get in the shower, because the movers are gonna be here between 8 and 8 and 9. So I'm showered, I'm dressed. I'll show you guys my little outfit. I did kind of want to get cute today. One, yeah, because I'm filming, but then I also kind of wanted to feel good. Also, my sister is surprising our mom today. She's flying in from Atlanta, Georgia. So in the middle of all of this, I will also be picking up my sister from the airport. So I'm gonna have to sneak away from mom and then go get my sister. So it's gonna be a full day of fun and activity, and I'm trying not to stress out. Like, I may seem like calm, and I am in good spirits and I am happy, but yeah, there's a lot. And last night was honestly really, really good. Like, let me just pause here and tell you all, because everything that was necessary that I needed the movers to move for me was done. And I was kind of panicked because I spent like 3 hours at Target, and I got home at like 7. I'm like, crap, I'm going to be up to like midnight. And I wasn't. And I was like, thank God I started, like, honestly, 3 weeks ago, I started packing little by little, section by section. So let me show you guys so I don't keep rambling. My OOTD for moving. I have on my favorite leggings ever. These are Adidas. I got them at TJ Maxx actually, and they are the most comfortable leggings that I own. Also the nicest pair, so why would I want to move in these? But honestly, I'm not going to be getting too dirty, hopefully. I don't know, but I just wanted to be comfortable and also a little bit cute today. I won't be wearing my sandals. I'm just have to run to the store really quick, but I'll put on my tennis shoes because I don't want to like drop anything on my feet or anything like that. But I just have them on for right now. I have on the matching sports bra. Sorry, I didn't mean to like flash you guys, but I have on a matching sports bra and this crop t-shirt I got, I think 2 summers ago actually, from Forever 21. So I know this probably isn't available anywhere, but I love this t-shirt. Just put my hair in a cute, messy, on purpose ponytail, and I did fill in my brows a little bit and put on some mascara and some lip gloss. So I don't feel like a hot mess, even though I probably will be by the end of the day. So that is the OOTD, guys. All right. Real quick, because I do have to run to the store and get some waters or whatever for the movers. But I have a few clothes in here. I think I'm just going to keep this set up because I'm going to be kind of back and forth in between both places. So I wanted to, once I'm like officially moved out of here, I will like pack everything in my suitcase and move it over. I also have another little carry-on bag over there. So these are a few outfits that I'm going to have for like work and whatever during the week. So good tip for that is just to kind of leave out some like a capsule wardrobe and leave it in your closet set up so that you don't have to like worry about digging through boxes to find clothes to wear. So that's what I did there. I got my mattress out of here by myself, and it's harder because it sits in kind of deep. So I got the mattress out and got it in the bag. I'll show you guys that. So I cleared out this hallway as you guys saw from last time. I have these boxes here that I will be able to return to 2 Men in a Truck and get my money back, but I also bought a mattress bag from them, so they were a one-stop shop for literally everything. So I got my mattress in the bag. It was so funny. AJ was watching me on FaceTime do this. So they're going to take this and dispose of it for me. I won't be taking this. I have a brand new mattress at the new apartment. What else? Like all the kitchen drawers, like all my main dishes are clean, but I still have some kitchen items here. So I'm going to move this stuff by myself. Like I'll just load up my car. So I still have like my kitchen essentials, but most of all my dishes, like you saw last few clips, are all empty, and I do need to clean out my fridge, but that's not what I'm worried about today. What I want them to move today is everything over here. These are all my boxes, clothes, dishes, my desk, my chair, all of that. And then I'll be leaving my camera equipment, my printer, and my Wi-Fi set up still, because I still will be working from home here for a few days, a few more weeks. My laptop is still set up, and then my TV stand I'm going to donate to Habitat for Humanity. I decided to, because it's kind of getting down to the wire, that I wasn't going to sell my furniture items. So I had a few things I thought were still nice that I could sell, but I'm going to end up just donating everything that I'm not taking to the new apartment. My TV, the movers are going to pack up for me. And then I have some boxes over here. Home gym stuff still there. Gonna keep this here. I'll move it myself. But basically all of the main things, the big things, are right there and right there. So thank God that my couch is a sleeper. So this is where I slept last night, and I'll be sleeping possibly for the next few weeks. I don't know. I will have my bed set up, but because I'll be working here still, like it's just, I haven't figured that all out yet. But over here, all the cleaning supplies. So once I get back from the grocery store, I will probably load up my car with this stuff first so that my mom's gonna meet me at the new place and we're gonna start cleaning. And I think that's it. I need to clean off my countertops a bit, and my bathroom is kind of still a mess. But my bathroom stuff, I decided I would pack up on my own too. And I have a little bit of laundry. I need to get my jewelry put together, but those are like the last minute things that you can like pack up and move on your own. You know, like you don't actually need, I didn't need one of those boxes over there. Like that would just to me be a waste. So I have my own little bags and stuff. I can also fill up my suitcase and take these last minute items like my jewelry, my bathroom products myself. All of this is all the new bedding. I cannot wait to show you. Like I went all out for my bed. I really want to spoil myself. I've had this bed frame since middle school. Like my parents bought me this really, really beautiful furniture set, and starting out on my own for the first time, I decided that it would be more economical to just bring my frame with me. And I thought I eventually would buy a new bed, but I didn't. But now that I'm moving into a new place, having a fresh start, I'm like, yes, I'm gonna buy myself my own bed and get some really beautiful bedding. I cannot wait to show you guys. It's gonna be so awesome. But I'm starting slow, but I am like, my main attraction is my bed right now. And I got some bathroom stuff, so that's probably the most decorating we'll see, and then I'll be adding on slowly. And then you guys saw all of this. I'll be moving this as well, and then donating this vanity to Habitat for Humanity. And then I think I showed you guys like all of my essential everyday makeup I just kept out in here. So yeah, I don't have to like dig through my makeup bags down there. Okay guys, so I'm back from the store. I got my sister's favorite cake. She loves this from our grocery store, the Death by Chocolate. So I got two of them, one for her, and then maybe my mom and I will share this one or whatever. But just to have for her birthday, and some candles. Her birthday was yesterday, so a little surprise for her, even though she's surprising mom. So got that, and then I picked up fresh mouthwash. I like the Tom's Fluoride Free, and I like Tom's toothpaste, but Simple Truth Organic also has a fluoride free toothpaste that I like. So And they're a little bit cheaper, so I picked up another toothpaste, some floss, and mouthwash for the new place. So I'm gonna put these items in this basket here. So there's that, and then I got a case of water and some snacks. So between here and the other place, if the movers need a snack, if I need a snack, mom or my sister, whoever helps me with moving, we got water, we got snacks. So that makes me feel good. And yeah, I'm just waiting. It's like 8:30 actually right now. So yeah, I'm just waiting. I made up my bed over here. So I just set it up and made it nice and neat. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. I guess maybe I should start cleaning my bathroom. I've been procrastinating doing that because I know it's going to be a little bit of work. So maybe I'll do that until they call. But you see how, like, this feels so good. Like, to just be kind of like, okay, I'm just waiting for them to call. Like, I went to the grocery store a little bit late. Like, I know that I told them yesterday or the day before that my elevator wasn't going to be ready until 9 o'clock. So I think they were going to come like a little bit closer to 9 than 8 a.m. So maybe that's why. But makes me feel good that I can like take a breath right now, turn on some music, and kind of just do some little extra things that I probably wouldn't have had time for if I was like still packing. So that feels so good. And yeah, I'll maybe just like clean my bathroom up or something. I don't know what to do with myself right now. I know it's hard to see. Let me try to zoom in. Not the best quality, but they're moving. Everything is being loaded onto this huge truck. Look how big that is. I did not have nearly enough stuff to fill that, but so they took a lot more than I thought. Excuse my dirty windows, but oh, let me zoom out. That whole space is clear. They just have to pick up the TV, and they're gonna take all of this for me too. So my cleaning stuff they're gonna take. I don't know. I don't know what I want to do about that, because I kind of need it here now, but I also need to take it to the other place. But mattress is gone, and they took everything that I'm taking to Target too, so huge help. They really were like, yeah, we have more than enough room. So blessed, so thankful for them. Well guys, I'm here. I'm not gonna show you too much right now. I'm gonna unpack all the boxes. Are here. I know that was really fast. Hopefully I didn't make you dizzy, but I just said a little prayer and blessed this new home of mine, and just really am grateful that since this time of moving out of my parents and being on my own, like, I've really tried not to take it for granted. Trust me, I've had my ups and downs. I've made my mistakes, you know, in every area, but like just learning in my 20s, like what it means to be a young woman, be a woman, period, an adult, all of those things. And I'm just grateful in this moment. So I just said a prayer and gave praises to God, because I'm so blessed and thankful to just have a roof over my head and to be able to provide for myself and have a stable job and all those things that we can tend to take for granted. But it just felt good, like I was by myself for a moment in my new place, and just able to like breathe, and like everything, like I've been saying it over and over again, has just been so easy. And thank God. Like it can be so stressful and emotional and all the things when you move, and I'm just blessed to just be in good spirits and feel at peace. Like I walked in here and I just was like home. Like I feel, not to say that my last place isn't still like home, but it's definitely I've outgrown that place. It's weird because this, you would say like, okay, this place is smaller, blah, blah, blah. But like, I know I spent my time there, and that my time here, while it may be short, you know, like this is an in-between situation until I can, you know, afford to buy a home and things like that. But still, like, I feel good about this space is basically what I'm trying to say. So prayer was nice, and I feel good, and I'm ready to call my boyfriend and tell him how things are going because we haven't talked this morning. And then I should be hearing from my mom soon. It's only like 10:30, so it didn't take long at all to get everything over here. We started at just like about 8:45, so 2 hours. Everything was over here, and yeah, it's time to unpack now. My mattress, my sofa, everything's here that I ordered so far, and we're gonna get the TV mounted, and I'm so excited. I can't wait for you guys to see everything. And yeah, I am gonna time lapse some like unpacking and things like that, but the decorating and all that, I'm pretty sure you guys are really excited to see. So I love you guys. If I haven't ended the vlog, I'm gonna end it here. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, so you don't miss another video, you don't miss these updates, and so that I can get your feedback on what you guys think. If you have any suggestions for decorating, if you see anything in the stores for fall, because I am going to be getting like new pumpkins and things like that. Yeah, let me know. So love you guys, and I will see you all in the next video. Mom, I'm back. What up?